Good. What's up?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are back in the Charles C Deam Wilderness.
We are.
And we are going to hike into one of our favorite camping spots, spend the night, set up our hammocks, and just have a relaxing evening.
Yeah, I brought some good dinner. We're gonna have a Mexican dinner.
Oh yeah.
And it's one of our favorite sites here is by this beautiful little pond. Hoping to hear some frogs.
Yep.
And right now, this place is completely empty. Check out the parking area. I don't think we've ever seen it all the way empty, right?
No.
It's a Friday evening or early evening, so I don't know where everyone is. It's a comfortable 77 degrees outside.
Yep.
So, yeah, let's hit it.
Let's do it.
Starting out, it's really comfortable today. Yesterday was pretty humid. Today feels much more comfortable as we're making our way to our pond, and it should be empty since no one is parked here, so that's a good sign, right?
Right, yeah it is.
So I'm really excited and looking forward to a nice quiet evening. It's good to be back home right now. Just got back from Wyoming and Utah, and this is our go-to place.
Yeah it is.
So we are bringing in water.
That's right.
Oh,
Gallon.
yep, that should do for the night. Because you don't want to drink that pond water.
No you don't.
So we made it to our turn to the campsite, and it should be wide open, hopefully.
Yeah.
Short hike.
Yeah, not a long hike, that's the way I like it. So we'll get settled in and enjoy our evening.
Yep. So this is camp right here. We were here like a month ago, and I don't think anyone's actually been here since then. Our wood's still here. And that's the Big Agnes Copper Spur 1. That will be our supply tent for tonight. We recently fixed the bungee cord in that, and it's good to go now. It's good as new. The old one lost elasticity and it kind of crumbled, but now it's good to go. Thank you, Chris, that hiking guy. He was kind enough to give us a tent at a giveaway at the Spring, Indiana YouTuber meetup. So awesome tent. And the fall meetup's coming up, the end of October. So if you're interested, come on out, as well as to the Red River Gorge Fall Meetup, Hanson's Point. Drop me a comment below if you need the dates. Since this is our supply tent, that means that we are hammocking, right?
Yeah we are.
And we're setting up our hammocks across the pond.
Time.
Yeah. Da-da, da-da. So we're setting that up across the pond because of the deadfall.
That's right.
You know, we don't want to be underneath these dead pines over here. So we're setting up across the pond with the hammocks, and we're doing that right now.
Let's do it.
All right. Harry here. How's everyone doing? Thanks for your nice comments, and I really enjoy that over the years. This is our camp setup right here. So the hammock setup, that is. We've got the Olife Sunbreeze Pro with underquilt and top. I'll show you around here. So I will show you this. This is how it looks underneath here. Don't expect any rain, but you just never know. It's good to be protected. Whoa!
Well, hello there.
So, your setup?
Is not as good as yours.
Oh, yes it
But
is.
you're going to trip over that cord in
Yeah.
a second, so I think we're going to have a nice night tonight. Temperature shouldn't be too bad.
No rain in the forecast.
Yeah, I think we'll be very comfortable.
Here it is. So I made some herbal tea because we usually don't drink enough when it's hot out. So this is for hydration. We're just taking it easy right now. And I recently won an awesome product at a YouTube giveaway. And the channel name that did the giveaway is Jack and Dan. Jack and Dan, thank you so much for sending me this. These are biodegradable laundry sheets, eco-friendly. So Jack and Dan have been supporting me for many years. They go way back to my first days on YouTube, and I'm very grateful for all the support they have given me. They have an awesome channel, links listed below, so check them out. It's a lot of fun to watch. And they recently did a giveaway and sent me these biodegradable laundry sheets. With this, you do not have the plastic waste that typical laundry detergent will give you. That's very good for the environment. These dissolve completely and they are cruelty-free. And when you purchase from them, you can go on their website and have them send you however many packages you want every month on auto. So that means that they will automatically send them to you once a month. This one packet has 30 sheets for $12, so not bad really. And you can get more than that if you want to. So you can select that on the website, they will send them to you, that you can cancel at any time, no obligation. And with the purchase of each of these packets, you can also select, there's a drop-down box and it lets you select where you want some of the profit to be donated to, because they donate a portion of each sale to either a homeless shelter, veterans at home, animal shelter, women's shelters. So that's a really good idea and a good program, I think. So and these come in 2 scents, fresh scent and actually unscented if you don't want a scent. So I highly recommend these laundry sheets, and they do a great job. It smells good. I have this fresh scent. You just place it on top and wash as usual. Anyway, thank you, Jack and Dan. Check them out below. Nothing like a really good taco dinner at camp. Yummy. Really good food. And a nice fire. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is probably close to 9 o'clock right now. We slept later than we do at home.
Yeah, we did.
I was tossing and turning a bunch last night, and I think I finally got some sleep at 6. My deep sleep from 6 to 8. So yeah, heard a bunch of wildlife last night, did you?
Yeah, I heard birds and owls and a lot of frogs.
Yeah, a lot of frogs, deep voices.
Giant frogs.
Giant frogs. And apparently a deer walked through. There was deer poop this morning.
Looked pretty fresh.
Heard coyote in the distance. I think it was just one, briefly, very far away. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
And I heard a weird bird screaming last night. So this forest is great for hearing things at night. We go all the way out west, don't hear anything, but when you're here,
Yeah, if you like hearing things.
that's the place for you, is the Hoosier National Forest.
Yeah.
And there is something crawling on my lens right here, right now. So anyway, thank you for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed our little outing. And here's to coffee. Yogurt and coffee. Coffee yogurt.
Yeah.